Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change the text on your checkout button in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to log into your account, after which you can now access the home page and we can get started with managing our store and editing it with all the sections we have right here, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with changing the text on our checkout button. The first thing we want to do, guys, is go right here and click online store under the sales channels. After clicking online store, it's automatically going to open up this themes section, under which, as you can see, it's going to open up this menu where we can get started with editing the theme we are using in Shopify. So now we can get started. Basically, guys, what we're going to do is follow the steps you can find right here in the official community Shopify page. As you can see, somebody already asked the question how to change the text on the checkout button. And here we have official response from a Shopify partner that told us exactly how to do this. Basically, we are going to go into online store and themes as I have just showed you, and then we find the theme you want to edit and click on actions and then edit code. So we're going to do that by clicking the three dots right here next to your theme that we are using, and in the new menu that appears, click edit code. So after selecting edit code, this is now going to open up this new menu where we can find all the options we have for editing it. As you can see, we have the layout section, the template section, sections, and so on. And what we can do, guys, is you can see in the assets folder, click on base CSS, style CSS, or theme CSS. So as you can see, we're going to go ahead and find the assets folder. So here we can go ahead and get started with finding the assets folder. And as you can see, here's our assets folder. Now we have base CSS and all the options we have just been told right here. And depending on which file your team uses to store the CSS files, after that you just want to edit this code. So go ahead and add this code, copy it, and put it into the themes option right here into base CSS. And after I put pasting it right here, you can change it to say whatever you want, whatever text you want to say, you want to put it into this code right here. Paste it, save it, and after saving it, it's going to be applied to your store, and now your checkout button is going to have different text. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.